She Can pushed in. Rear gates now locked. The torchbearer getting a little restless. Rider of She Can on his mount. That's it. 10 runners for the last race. A 1200-meter contest. They are ready. And it's Kingston getting fidgety. So too is Decoy. Little tippy-toey now is Decoy, forcing the rider to stand on the side bars of the gate. Settles well. Under orders, they dash out of the stalls. Perfect line out by all the runners. And the one to take charge coming from the outside, it's She Can, who has taken the charge. And it was Espionage coming with a rapid run to rest initiative and dashes into the lead by about a length and a half in front of She Can. Torchbearer followed by Star Forever. Decoy holding the fence. Brooklyn Beauty comes in next, followed by Encore and Kingston together. A length behind is Dali's Destiny. Now the 5 to 6 lengths behind comes Shadow of the Moon. Back to the leader now, and it's Espionage, half a length better of She Can, ranging up on the outside, follow along with Star Forever as they continue the journey towards the 600. Torchbearer and Brooklyn Beauty. Then comes held in 6th position is Decoy, followed by Encore. Racing next is Kingston, followed by Dali's Destiny, and last is Shadow of the Moon. More than 2 furlongs to run now, and it's Espionage still holding on, and coming up on the outside is She Can. They followed then by Star Forever, and towards the fence is Decoy along with Brooklyn Beauty. Ridden with vigor is Torchbearer. Inside the last 200 now, and it's Espionage has broken clear by about 2.5 to 3, 4 lengths in front of She Can, followed by Brooklyn Beauty. On the outside comes Star Forever, but Espionage is triumphant, winning it by more than 3 from She Can. Brooklyn Beauty a good third, followed by Star Forever, Dali's Destiny, Decoy